Hello everyone, I am Dr. Manisha Kakade, your obstetrician, gynecologist and infertility specialist practicing in the field since 21 years. And at present, I am a consultant at New Spring Fertility and IVF Center. Today, on this World Menstrual Hygiene Day, I've come up with an informative video on the most eco-friendly menstrual cups. These menstrual cups are so liberating as they provide us with a leak-free menstrual cycle, which is so liberating, which is so empowering towards our health. It does not cause any rash, which is a very common problem of our life. This does not cause any discomfort and it takes care of your health thoroughly. And I'm going to talk about all of these factors in detail soon. It is very eco-friendly as every woman in her lifetime gets her menstrual cycles around 500 times and she uses around 10,000 disposable products for sanitation throughout her life, which is filling up our landfills and oceans and destroying the Mother Earth. This is already an alarming issue and raises a concern and demands us to switch from the disposable sanitary material towards these menstrual cups. Now, what is a menstrual cup? Menstrual cup is a small, soft, flexible, funnel-shaped, reusable, feminine product for sanitary hygiene. They are made up of medical grade silicone and they come into 3 different sizes. A small size is for those young girls who are not yet sexually active. Then the medium size is for the girls who are sexually active but not yet had a vaginal delivery. And of course, the large size is for those women who have delivered vaginally. Now, before the insertion, you have to take a comfortable position, like you can insert this cup into a squatting position or sitting on the commode or lifting one leg on the commode or a little step up position. Then, before inserting, to make it more easy, you can lubricate the rim of this cup well and then get into different folds. Now, one more thing I want to tell about the vagina, that is all the vaginal walls, they are collapsed to each other and it is a blind space which does not open inside your abdomen. So there is no chance of this cup getting lost. And this cup comes with this small tail which is only to guide you where it is. Then firstly, I would like to demonstrate just 3 folds of this cup as it cannot be inserted like this inside. So it has to be folded into 3 different ways before inserting or to make the insertion easier. So this is a C fold which is like this, if you can see. Then there is another fold that is a 7 fold which has to be like this while you insert. Then the 3rd fold is the punch down fold, that is like this. You have to pinch it down and then make it small for insertion and you can insert it like this. And then I want to demonstrate actually with this jar, as the vagina is also a closed canal. This is the way we will get inside the vagina and just come out softly, leaving the cup over there. Now you have to feel the cup from all the sides as it pop opens here, and you should feel the vacuum that has been created. So circulating your finger around it, you have to make sure that it has popped out. Otherwise, there would be chances of leakage. And once it has popped out well, then it's secure in the place. But if it has not, what you have to do is slightly pinch to the end and rotate it to pop it open, and it opens very easily. But just ensure that it has popped up and taken a place, and a vacuum is been created around the cervical area. And this tail should never be pulled out. As there is a vacuum, it will cause pain. So while removing, again, you have to make sure that this vacuum is released well, and that time you have to just pinch it again till the time you feel the vacuum is released. And as soon as you pinch it, the vacuum releases. You will have to just remove it like this and then empty the product out and flush it inside the flush. Then wash it with the water well before reinserting it. Every time you are not supposed to sterilize. It's not needed, it's not required. But before you use it, you make sure that you boil it in a pot of water for at least 5 minutes. Then after the menses are over, after those 5 days, you can just clean it with water and store it into a place, dry place, inside this kind of pouches which are provided. So you just have to put it inside and store it, and before you use it for the next time, you have to sterilize it into a boiling water. Nowadays, there are even instruments available in the market for sterilization of these menstrual cups. Remember, you are not supposed to clean these cups again and again with the soap, as these soaps are alkaline and the normal vaginal flora is acidic in nature. These soaps, they tend to disturb this flora, and if it gets disturbed, it causes irritation. So now let us talk about the advantages of menstrual cups over the other products. And the first advantage is that it is very, very economical. And it is economical as it costs only 8 rupees per month. It comes from 250 rupees to 1000 rupees in the market, and it has to be used for 10 long years, while the sanitary pads and the tampons have to be bought every month after month. Using this product is also very, very easy while you are traveling. While you are traveling, you do not need to dispose this product like the other products, and it's very easy to wash it, or even at the times when there is scarcity of water while traveling, you can just clean it with a tissue paper and again reinsert it. Unlike the pads and the tampons, this product is leak-free. Then it does not come into contact with the air. The entire menstrual flow is collected inside the cup, and as the pads and tampons, they come into contact with the air, there are chances of getting contaminated with the bacteria present in the air, and the blood serves as a very good medium for the bacteria to grow. There are a lot of chances of skin rashes and vaginal infections as well, and further into the life, these vaginal infections will give rise to either infertility or a cervical cancer too. So this is very, very caring for your good health, or it's empowering towards a good health for your future. And the tampons are very well known and are reported to cause a toxic shock syndrome. That is a very deadly complication which can be life-taking also. So these are very, very safe for every woman to use, and I hope you liked my video, and if you have liked it, please do share it with your loved ones and empower them with the health with these menstrual cups. Thank you.